Weather's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. Lots of sunshine early today, but the clouds have returned to central New York. Let's take a live look outside from our Storm Tracker 2 tower cam, and we're looking down the Mohawk Valley. The weather this evening is looking dry, so if you hadn't had a chance to get out and enjoy it, you do have a few more hours to do that, although it doesn't look to be quite as sunny as it was earlier today. Let's take a look at the Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and again, things are looking pretty quiet across the board here, and we will stay dry as we head into tomorrow as well. There's going to be some wind to talk about. In fact, how strong are the winds going to be? We're thinking the winds will be topping out between about 30 to 40 miles an hour. And if tomorrow is trash day, if you're putting out the trash tomorrow evening, the wind is going to be strong enough to move the garbage can once the trash is collected. So it is something to keep in mind. That's the kind of wind that we are talking about. It's also going to be blowing around any loose objects on the ground. This time of the year, there's a lot of light leaves and twigs, is what I'm trying to say, that we'll be seeing blowing around tomorrow afternoon. Current temperature is 50 degrees, a south wind at 14 miles an hour. And again, weather conditions this evening are looking pretty nice. Our sky watchers are in the 40s for the most part, a couple of 50s here and there. 51 degrees in New Hartford, 45 degrees in Boonville, 43 in Old Forge. Across the southern valleys, Worcester 42 degrees, Morris 50, and Sequoia checks in with 44. As we look at the radar and satellite image, the reason why we're tracking the wind is because low pressure is going to develop. It's developing now. It's going to swing up the eastern seaboard and turn into a nor'easter. And then as the storm departs, the winds pick up. And we're looking at the strongest winds to arrive tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. Again, wind gusts up to 30 to 40 miles an hour. I think the winds will be strongest in the Mohawk Valley, as the winds will be from the west, and that wind tends to funnel down the valley and is strongest in the valleys compared to the surrounding hilltops. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, the weather stays dry this evening and tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the low 30s. We're sunny first thing tomorrow morning. The weather looks nice, at least for the first half of the day. And then we're looking at winds developing tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. It's going to be a lot cooler tomorrow evening, too, as temperatures fall into the low 40s. Cold day on Thursday. Sunshine. Temperatures start out in the upper 20s, and we only make it into the upper 30s to low 40s. We'll have lots of sunshine, but it does look to be a much cooler afternoon. Forecast for tonight, partly cloudy skies. Low temperature of 30 degrees tomorrow. We start out the day dry. The winds will be picking up in the afternoon. High temperature of 48 degrees. Look at your Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The weather stays dry on Thursday, but it will be a lot cooler. Temperatures will be in the low 40s. Friday, a wintry mix is possible early, and then we're expecting some rain in the afternoon, 45. Saturday's looking dry, clouds with rain showers, and temperatures close to 60 on Sunday and Monday. Coming up at 10 and 11, we're going to take a look at what makes a nor'easter using Max Reality.
Sounds like a plan. I like it.